If war were to break out in 2026, would you be ready? In a world where chaos could strike at any moment, the time to prepare is now. Today on Freedom Firearms, we're ranking the top 8 guns you can rely on, from light and precise to rugged and battle-ready. These aren't just weapons, they're lifelines. So buckle up, hit that like button, and subscribe to Freedom Firearms if you're serious about survival. Let's dive in. Number 8. High Standard Victor. When precision and finesse matter more than brute force, the High Standard Victor stands tall. Chambered in .22 LR. This semi-automatic target pistol was originally designed for competition shooting, but don't underestimate its place in a survival toolkit. Its fixed 5.5-inch heavy barrel delivers remarkable accuracy, thanks in part to the low recoil nature of the .22 round and a crisp, adjustable trigger that breaks cleanly at around 2.5 pounds. The frame is made from steel with a ventilated rib and adjustable rear sight, offering excellent control and a balanced feel. It features a 10-round box magazine and a finely tuned blowback action that runs reliably with minimal maintenance. While it's not built for high-impact combat, it excels in situations where quiet, accurate shots count, like hunting small game or training new shooters. Lightweight, easy to carry, and surgically precise, the Victor is a small-caliber hero in a world falling apart. Number 7. Ruger 10/22. The Ruger 10/22 has earned its reputation as one of the most versatile rimfire rifles in the world, and for good reason. Chambered in .22 LR and equipped with a 10-round rotary magazine, this semi-auto rifle offers unmatched reliability for its class. It features a cold hammer forged barrel, precision crown for enhanced accuracy and durability. The receiver is drilled and tapped for scope mounts, making it easy to customize your optics for any situation. Its blowback action cycles smoothly even in dusty environments, and the VB block system ensures tight barrel-to-action fit. Weighing just under 5 pounds, it's ideal for bug-out situations where every ounce counts. Though it may not deliver knockdown power like larger calibers, the Ruger 10/22 shines in its ability to train, hunt, and defend with high speed, follow-up shots, and negligible recoil. If the grid goes down and ammunition becomes scarce, this rifle will keep you fed and protected without wearing you down. Number 6. Glock 19. When talking about survival-grade handguns, the Glock 19 is almost always part of the conversation, and rightfully so. Chambered in 9mm, this striker-fired pistol features a 15+1 capacity, giving you just the right amount of firepower for close-quarters defense. It's built with a durable polymer frame and a Tenefer-coated steel slide that resists corrosion and wear. Even under the worst conditions, the barrel is 4.02 inches long, striking a balance between concealability and accuracy. The Glock 19 Gen 5 model, in particular, removes the finger grooves from previous generations and introduces interchangeable backstraps, allowing for a more personalized fit. With a consistent 5.5-pound trigger pull and a short reset, this pistol supports quick, accurate follow-up shots. Add to that ambidextrous controls and a reversible magazine release, and you have a sidearm that fits virtually any shooter. It's compact, light, and battle-tested, ideal for both first-timers and seasoned defenders bracing for the worst. Number 5. Sig P320. If adaptability is your top priority in a sidearm, the Sig Sauer P320 has you covered. Built around a modular fire control unit, this striker-fired pistol allows you to change frame sizes, calibers, and slide lengths without the need for gunsmithing. Its standard full-size model is chambered in 9mm and holds 17+1 rounds, but extended 21, 30, and 32-round magazines are available, giving it serious staying power in a firefight. The P320 has a smooth, consistent trigger, with a flat face option for better control and an ambidextrous slide release and reversible mag catch, making it user-friendly for left and right-handed shooters alike. With a barrel length of 4.7 inches and a Picatinny rail up front, you can attach lights, lasers, or optics with ease. Its polymer grip module keeps the weight manageable while still providing a solid feel. Whether you're outfitting for home defense or building a bug-out kit, the P320 is a tactical sidearm built for unpredictable times. Number 4. Mossberg 500. If things turn ugly and you need a shotgun that can take a beating and keep firing, the Mossberg 500 is your best bet. Chambered in 12 gauge, this pump-action shotgun is revered for its rugged reliability and modularity. It comes with interchangeable barrels ranging from 18.5 to 28 inches, letting you tailor it for home defense or extended range use. The aluminum receiver keeps the weight down while the dual extractors and anti-jam elevator ensure consistent cycling under stress. The safety is top-mounted, making it accessible for both left and right-handed shooters. With a 5+1 capacity and the ability to chamber both 2.75-inch and 3-inch shells, it handles everything from birdshot to buckshot and slugs. Front and rear slide serrations give you extra grip in wet or muddy conditions, while the synthetic stock shrugs off abuse. If you're fighting for survival in unpredictable environments, the Mossberg 500 is a no-fuss, no-fail tool you'll be glad to have. Number 3. Remington 870. Few shotguns have seen more action than the Remington 870, and for good reason. This pump-action 12-gauge is machined from a single block of solid steel, providing unmatched durability in the field. The improved recoil pad and synthetic or wood stock options offer great ergonomics for long shooting sessions or tense standoffs. Its bottom-loading, side-ejecting design keeps your line of sight clear while allowing rapid reloads, especially important under stress. The barrel lengths range from tactical 18 inches to hunting length 28 inches, giving the 870 a wide range of utility. Its twin action bars ensure smooth cycling, and its ability to handle a wide range of ammunition types, including breaching rounds, slugs, and buckshot, make it a versatile workhorse in combat scenarios. Whether you're defending your home, hunting for food, or braving the ruins of civilization, the Remington 870 is a shotgun that simply won't quit. Number 2. AR-15. If there's one rifle you can bet on when the lights go out, it's the AR-15. Chambered in 5.56 NATO 223 Rem, this semi-automatic rifle combines accuracy, modularity, and firepower in a lightweight platform. With a standard 16-inch barrel and 1-in-7 twist rate, it excels in medium-range engagements while keeping recoil tame enough for rapid follow-up shots. The AR-15 features a direct impingement gas system and comes standard with a 30-round magazine, though extended mags are widely available. Its flat-top receiver and MLK or Picatinny rails let you customize it with optics, lights, grips, or lasers, whatever your mission demands. Many models now offer collapsible or folding stocks, making them easier to store or deploy in tight spaces. Most importantly, parts and ammo are widely available, making it an ideal platform for long-term survival. If the world collapses tomorrow, the AR-15 will still be standing. Number 1. AK-47. At the top of our list is the battle-hardened AK-47, a rifle so reliable it's become a global icon of rugged firepower. Chambered in 7.6 Tux-39mm, this assault rifle hits harder than the AR-15, especially in close to mid-range engagements. Its long-stroke gas piston system and generous internal tolerances allow it to function even when filthy, wet, or neglected, conditions where other rifles would fail. Standard 30-round steel magazines are built to endure drops, mud, and abuse, while the curved design feeds rounds reliably into the chamber. With a 16.3-inch barrel and iron sights calibrated up to 800 meters, it offers good accuracy for combat ranges. Though not as pinpoint as an AR, but what it lacks in finesse, it makes up for in brute reliability and raw stopping power. If you're bracing for the worst-case scenario, societal collapse, guerrilla warfare, or home invasions, the AK-47 remains a firearm you can stake your life on. So there you have it, 8 guns, ranked from lightest to most powerful, each with a unique role in your survival plan for 2026 and beyond. Whether you're looking for pinpoint precision, tactical versatility, or unstoppable firepower, there's something here for every situation. Let us know in the comments which one you choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay locked and loaded with Freedom Firearms. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and stay free.